Guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's Do Now deals, and we're going to get straight to the deals. I didn't think they were that awesome, but we did have a couple of glitch up in here and some freebies. So let's go right here. You're going to come right here, right to the trial section, right in this area. You should find it right here, all right? Now, you're going to come here. You're going to pick up 2 of these Vaseline Advanced Repair Care Kits, okay? Let's scan it. I like to do it in the store, okay? Oh yeah. Maybe I can put it close enough. Let's see. Okay, when we scan, we see that it is $2. Look what we have. We have a $4 coupon that's attaching to that when you buy 2. So those are completely free. So this is what I'm going to tell you guys. If you have multiple accounts, do both today if you can, because once they figure out this is a glitch, it's gonna be took down. So if you have multiple accounts, do both today and pay in cash. All right, so grab those. So I have 2 accounts, so I'm gonna get both of mine. Okay, I'm gonna get 4 because I'm gonna use one on one account and one on the other account. All right, and I also have to get my glasses up out the cart. Now, let's get to our next deal. Hey guys, so they're already out of the Vaseline lip therapy, because if you bought those, you would pick 2 and you pay $1 for 2, okay? Now, don't forget, you also can grab these Vaselines right here. Those are $4, so you would pay $4 for 2 of these Vaselines. So it just depends on how you make your budget. I like free, so that's why I wanted mine for free, okay? Let's get to our next deal. Okay, next we're going to go to the Big Soleil, guys. And we're going to scan that.
Take your time, man. Take your time.
Here we go. Okay, it's $5.50. We have a $2 coupon, making that $3.50. Awesome deal if you want a quick Big Soleil deal. The Scott tissue is on sale for $5, the 12-pack. And let's scan it. $5. We have a $2 off coupon, making those $4 each. You have to buy 2. And guys, the Scott paper towel, which is no longer here, is $5. Here we go, $5. $2 off coupon, off 2. Great to do with your 5 off 25. So guys, we're gonna come over here to the finish right here. And remember I said I hope that coupon attached, and it did. So scan. It is $5 for the finish, and I have 2. So this one is expiring on the 28th, and that one will expire $4.25. So I have a $3 coupon. So now, you see this dilemma. What I would do is, I will buy 2. So this would be awesome for 5 off 25. I would have to pick up 2 in order for this $3 to kick in, okay? So just remember, you can do that. Let's come right down here to the detergent, guys, and let's scan the Purex. And that's the Purex 28 count. We have a couple of coupons, both Dollar General. So you're going to have to take your pick. You'll do the spend 15, get $3 off, or you'll do the 2 for 10, which they take 75 cents off each one. Now those are Dollar General coupons. So if you do this on Saturday, you have to cover that $1.50 that they took off, okay? So any day deals will be great for these right here. Now, if we go to this Purex right here, the $6 liquid Purex, let's scan it. I want to show you guys something. You can offset this, okay? $6. We have 3 coupons. Spend 15, get 3 off. 2 for 10. Manufacturer $1, and it's a limit of 1. So you can do that, but it is a limit. That manufacturer will stack with either one of these coupons that you use. So I probably would do this one. 2 for 10. I'm going to get that $1 off, and I'm going to pay 2 for 9 or $4.50 each. Okay, let's get over here to our bleach, guys. This is what I want to show you. So they have a 7 days of savings coming up. All right, start today. So this one is on the bleach. I'm going to scan the bleach, and I'm going to do the Scentiva. Okay, hold it. There. We're going to scan it. It's the 7 days of savings is they lowered it to $4.45. It's a $2 off coupon. So you're going to pick up 2 of the bleachers at $4.45. We have this $2 coupon right here. Now, I added it to my list. Let's go to my list. Someone just alerted me that if you have multiple accounts on the Clorox, with the Clorox, you do not have it on that account. And I did not have it on my second account, the phone that I'm talking on, so it is not on it. But the Vaseline is on it, but the Clorox is not on there. So that is not included on if you have multiple accounts. I guess they're connecting them together at this point. I'm right here, guys. We have some deals right here on the, let me see, this is the Vibrant. It's at $10. They gave us a $4 coupon. This $3 Vibrant, this one, I like this deep sea wood. That smells good right there. But you also have it on this 5 account. I'll take the 5 one over the 3. So let me scan it and see. It's $10. Look, I have 2 coupons, $4 off of one. So they'll pick that $4, so you'll be paying $6 for those, okay? So look, I just noticed this right here. Okay, guys, so look at this multi one. It's lavender, fresh linen, Hawaii, and vanilla papaya. 4 of them in here. And it also is, it's also attaching to this one. So look at that, $4 also. I'm gonna grab that today. Okay, guys, so the $4 Mr. Clean right here, let's scan it. I scanned the Clean Freak at first, so $4 Mr. Clean, $4. They gave us a $1 coupon. One is $3. Let me get back to minding my own business. Okay, guys, the Persil, $9.95. We're gonna grab that one. Okay, $9.95. They have a couple of coupons. Spend 15, get 3. Dollar General, $2 manufacturer, and then they have a $2 cash back. So what you can do is you can pick this up twice. They're gonna pay you $2 and they're gonna give you $2. Plus they're gonna take $3 off of your spend 15, save 3. Because this one right here only has a $1.25 coupon, so that really wouldn't be worth the deal. These are $9.95 plus $9.95, $19. They're gonna automatically take 3 off. They're gonna take another 2 off for the coupon. Then after you pay out, they're gonna take $2 off again for the cash back. You'll pay $12, divide that by 2, and you'll pay $6.45 for each one, including your 7 days of savings, guys. Don't forget, on tomorrow you have buy one get one off the True Living scented candles, and then it's a buy one get one free on the True Living Fresh Start or Bella assorted kitchen organizer. I think I'm gonna go for that because I want the kitchen organizers. Then you also have on, it's a 12 pack. So here's the s'mores, and I'll get, you know what, I'm gonna get 2 packs of the s'mores. I'm gonna get the s'mores, and then it's assorted pack right here. So these are $3 each. So I will grab those right there. This haven't been going on for a long time, guys. The healthy 22, that one's for $8.95. There, look, spend 15, save 3. And these are actually 2 for $10.50. Originally $5.95. Spend 15, get $3 off, and then they're $10, 2 for $10. So if you do 4 of these, you should be paying $4.50 for each one. If you do the ones, that's 2 for $10. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do these today for the shop. We're gonna do these. Okay, so pick those up. That haven't been a good deal in a long time on the trash bags, guys. I think this is getting ready to go on clearance again. Look at the clearance items. You know, I show you this with this new clearance. This is new clearance items up here. Now I just picked up some Pop-Tarts. Let me see what they got them on sale for. Okay, see these same ones. They still have them for $4.35, but as you can see, we do have a clearance coming up, and those are on there. It's cereal, car parts, oil, hand warmers. What else is up there? Bug spray, battery. I knew these weren't on sale because they were buy one full price, get the other one for 50% off, so that wasn't worth it. I knew that wasn't. Then they have some old leftover stuff. So if you're looking for penny items on Tuesday, come to your clearance section if you have a lot of clearance stuff left over, and you probably gonna find it over here somewhere. You'll find it. So I know this is clearance because this wasn't here on the last clearance section. Okay. All right, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Harvey's coupon count. Bye.